I'd like your opinion on Bosch side-by-side refrigerator problems.
The door open alarm can go off for 15 and 20 seconds. A loud annoying shriek that ensures you'll wake the baby getting milk if it wasn't already keeping everyone up with the crying.
Then I'd shut it off.
You cannot shut it off. And all of this is on top of noisy fan blades.
There are plenty of people who joke the fridge is broken because the kitchen is too quiet.
The water dispenser and ice maker in the door has a lot of problems.
Put an ice maker in any fridge and its reliability ratings with Consumer Reports go down.
I'll say that Bosch's side-by-side fridges managed to beat that, by going way down. The water will leak after you fill your glass.
That is only a problem if the drain in the door cannot handle it.
There is not a good drain underneath the water dispenser. It drains onto the floor.
Okay, that's a problem.
The freezer shelves frost up pretty fast.
Any freezer can get frost. That's why defroster heaters exist.
They tend to overflow the freezer drain, leading to more water on the floor.
I suppose its freezer heater works too well. That's a problem in such an expensive fridge.
Sub-Zero is the one that has reports of defrost heaters getting so hot it warps the plastic. Bosch is the one with problems with the freezers not retaining their temperature.
If I wanted the food really cold, it would be in the fridge. What do you do about it?
The door switch may not be making good contact, though the alarm is so loud that's literally hard to miss. The more likely issue is that the evaporator fan motor isn't working.
How could I fix that without paying a couple $100 for service?
Try flipping the door switch to see if you can activate the evaporator fan that should kick in when the door is closed. If that doesn't work, you know it is the fan motor itself.
Or the control panel.
If you have the EO2 error code, it is the freezer compartment sensor, while EO1 is the fridge temperature sensor. If you're getting both and the kids didn't dig through the fridge and freezer looking for sweets, reboot the control panel to try to fix it.
How do you reboot a fridge?
Turn it off, wait 2 minutes, turn it back on. That could be at the circuit breaker, since the set buttons are really just for temperature controls and the reset button is for the water filter timer.